Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background from your pictures on Pixlr application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pixlr Suite application on your PC, or you may also use your web browser version if you wish to do so. Now, once you open it up and log into your account using your email address and your password, you will see the remove background option. Go ahead and click on this to use AI in order to remove your background right away. Now click on select photos in order to remove the background for your desired picture. After opening up your desired picture, you will now see that the background has been removed right away. If you choose transparent background, then it will simply create a cutout of the main picture. You can also use a white background or a black background, and you can also use the auto crop feature. You can also click on select photos in order to upload additional ones. And as soon as you upload your picture, the background will be removed right away. You can then click on the Save All to Zip option in order to download these as a zip file. And you can also click on the Fine Tune option in order to add any other background if you wish onto this picture. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove background from your pictures on the Pixlr application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.